Hi guys, this is a VW Polo 1.4 TSI. Oh, sorry, it's a Golf 1.4 TSI, basically same as Polo. So this car had cylinder 2 low compression, was misfiring. So we changed the plugs, we checked the head, everything is okay. But the problem is on the pistons. So that is the piston coming from this car, it's cracked. So I think more other pistons also had similar cracks. You see, like this, it's cracked. So we put 4 brand new pistons for this car, and that's the only way of sorting out this misfiring problem. Please check the compression first before you open the head. If compression is not equal, and definitely this type of VWs, this new shape VWs, it's very common having this pistons cracking problem. Okay, I think this information will be useful for you to repair your vehicle, and if you like the video, please subscribe and hit like. If you have any questions, please call us, we can help you over the phone. Okay, thanks for watching.